How to fix duplicate AdSense account error. In particular, when you try to go back into your AdSense and you try to go to the account button and it's grayed out. We'll be tackling that. So let's go. Getting your AdSense account ready for YouTube. Your account wasn't approved. You need to fix some issues before you can use AdSense. And then below that it says close your other account. Further goes on to say you already have a Google Publisher account. Sign into your existing account to access AdSense, or close your other accounts and submit your application to create an account again. If you clicked on where it says close your other accounts, that is highlighted, it would give you more details and some more guidance. It says you have 2 accounts. AdSense policies only allow 1 account per publisher. If you receive an email from AdSense saying that your account can't be activated due to a duplicate account, you need to close your other account, sign into AdSense and confirm that it's closed. We will then proceed with activating your AdSense account. So that did not give us an exact way to close the account. You may feel frustrated at this point and feel like you're going around in circles, but I'll show you a solution. So after you've come back out, you've read all that, come back to the previous page that we were on before, and then if you look on the left hand side of your page, you'll notice that the account button which you need to press is grayed out. You might be thinking to yourself, how am I supposed to close my account if it's grayed out? Check the box that says I confirm I have closed my duplicate accounts, and then press resubmit. We're reviewing your info. Reviews usually take less than a day, but in some cases can take a bit longer. You can check your AdSense status in YouTube Studio. How to make the account button active if you are doing this from your computer. If you're doing this from your computer, just press the refresh button at the top, and then the account button will become active. You will now be able to access the account button to be able to delete the duplicate account. How to make the account button active if you are doing this from your mobile phone. If you are doing this from your desktop version on your mobile phone, then all you need to do is re-sign into Google AdSense again from scratch, and then the account button will become live and you'll be able to close the account that way.